What is going on, you guys? Welcome back. Since the last video, I broke my foot. I had a big box on top of this stack of tires. I had my old wheel spindles in that box from when I was still 4-lug on the EM2. That box collapsed. I took those wheel spindles right to the toe. 2 broken toes, but you know what? That's not going to stop us. Let's get to the CRX. So this is actually my first look at the suspension. We're gonna need that ball joint, no cotter pin. We're gonna need to do this tie rod end. It looks like these are not the original spindles. Are these DA9 spindles actually? LH3-H.
I'll find out production.
Dirty, 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 dirty. Check out these tires. Okay. Let's start cleaning. This is what I use. You're supposed to dilute it, but I don't. It works a whole lot better just straight concentrate. Like this stuff gets off anything. These yellow and red wheels are most likely going to be up for sale. You know, I really don't like the tool bag thing. It just, your stuff's way too, at least my stuff's just way too disorganized. Ooh, this thing's gonna require some scrubbing. What's up, guys? So Val came through and we stripped the interior. There he is. I got the carpet over there and we just pulled that out. Now I'm trying to decide what I want to do. Basically, I can just clean this up and start rebuilding my interior, or I can take it a step further, pull out all of the stock sound dampening, and I'm thinking about painting the interior with the outside of the car, just painting the entire chassis, maybe. Because at this point, guys, it's really a matter of how far do I want to go. And if we're already at this stage, come on, how can I not go all the way? One thing that's a big goal for me is I want to get a working SI sunroof. And I have one. I just need to figure out what the heck is going on with this. Oh, look at that. That wasn't too hard. We're taking off the seatbelts right now. 17s. Don't lose that washer right there. Gotta be careful of this stuff, because if you kink it, it doesn't really ever go on right again. These 90 taillights are also going to be up for sale. They're only, slightly damaged. Like, I think this is really the only damaged area. I feel like this is going to become like an heirloom to the car. Also, after removing the taillights, I suspected that there was a crash. Crash confirmed. That's okay. But it looks like it was just repaired incorrectly. Why are there ants all over this freaking car? There's nothing even in it. Okay, we're gonna take a little break. We've got a package. Let's see what this is. Nice. So these are our hatch shocks for the back hatch. Not sure which light bulbs these are, but I basically ordered all of the light bulbs. This is our Gates thermostat. This is our exhaust manifold gasket. More light bulbs, more light bulbs. And more light bulbs. Haha. That's super cool. Guys, I think I just found my favorite Rock Auto magnet. It was gonna go on the new row, but this one is special. Unfortunately, Daniel and his Chrysler have gotten kicked out. And Randy's Honda, first gen CVCC. So aside from that, I also got in my Viper Red single stage paint with activator and reducer. I want to see how far I can get with this. If I have to order another one, that's fine. Couldn't get my 2K clear coat delivered here, so I'm probably gonna have to get it delivered out of state and then go pick it up, but that's okay. Just gives me another reason to go back to Vegas. No way. So they sent me a whole box just for this little light bulb. This is for the interior light. Cool. Oxygen sensor, OEM Denso, and then a new alternator belt. PCV valve, 2 more. Remember, don't be a dummy, cut towards your tummy. Or don't be a dummy, cut towards your buddy. Spark plugs, another Rock Auto magnet. This one is Subi. This one's heavy. Oh. ton of bulbs. Ton of these. I got so many of these. They were like 2 cents each, and you had to buy like 100 of them. More little bulbs. I have to figure out what every single one of these are. And then these are my exhaust hangers. I didn't get a magnet in that one. Didn't get a magnet. So we have spark plugs, PCV valve, alternator valve, oxygen sensor, exhaust hangers. I don't have an exhaust. More little light bulbs, ton of light bulbs, and a bunch of magnets. The perfect shape. Uh-oh. Kind of showed you guys my messed up toe. I don't know if y'all want to see that. It's kind of nasty. Cool. And here she is. This is my D16A6. And this is what's going to be powering the CRX. It came out of a CRX SI. I have the SI tranny, the multi-point intake manifold, the wiring harness, the alternator, dizzy, starter, mounts, everything. I just need axles. But today, all we're gonna be doing is cleaning it up because this thing is hella nasty. I'd like to pop the valve cover and oil pan and just take a look at the internals, but if we don't get to that today, no big deal. Basically, what you're gonna want to be doing is plug up all of your intake and exhaust ports, plug up your diff port, the axle ports. Basically plug up anything you wouldn't want to get water in. Normally, if this was a running car, I would cover up the dizzy and the alternator, but being that this thing is going to be sitting in the sun for a couple more days, it'll have the time to dry out, so I'm not really tripping on it. I'm not going to soak the alternator or the dizzy, obviously. We're using purple zip again, like always. I love watching the degreaser work. Also, it looks like this tranny's been painted a couple of times. It's painted black, but it looks like it was painted red first, and then the silver's starting to show. I'll probably keep it black. Just, you know, respray that red area. Super grimy back here. Ooh. The PCV case is, it's like a rubbery thingy. It's pretty soft. Is it supposed to be like that? And then just agitate the grease. We're not trying to scrub it off. We're just trying to, you know, mess with it. It's the water that rinse everything off. I really like to pull this wiring harness off. Also, this looks like a OBD2 Y8 manifold, no? This isn't the OBD-O manifold, but it looks like it's been modified. Fuel pressure regulator fed right into. I don't know. It's got the circle plugs, but it really looks like a Y8. It is a Y8 manifold. It has the casting right there, P2K. But all of this stuff was running with the OBD-O ECU. We'll see how that goes. Alright guys, I got my little D16 on this wooden dolly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's not good for the grass. Oh yeah. Very nice. This motor looks like it's in pretty damn good condition. It might have been rebuilt before, because it's got red RTV on the oil pump. The gasket, the head gasket looks, there it is. You can kind of see it in there. It looks like, you know, one of the material gaskets, not a MLS. So that's why I was thinking it might have been original. That's a new PCV valve. Also, is my PCV housing supposed to be, like, weird? Because you guys see how this is weird? I don't think it matters, but just wondering. Oh, we're pretty clean. I'm actually pretty happy with how clean it came. Okay guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video, but we got another package. Oh, cool. Champ fuel filter. These things are really cool. I like this brand a lot. And then, oh, we got some Velcro gaskets. Oh, I ordered the valve cover gasket and everything. That's cool. I was taking it apart trying to like preserve all that stuff. I didn't remember I ordered this. That's cool. So this is the valve cover gasket and everything. And I got another magnet. Mike's Buick. That's cool. If you guys want more EF content, what's to come with my build, or if you guys even just want to see me collect rock auto magnets, like, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Till next time.